Hi, this is Alex from Beach Hill Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this absolutely superb 1960 MGA Roadster 1600, later model with the disc brakes. Car's finished in Old English white with chrome wire wheels. Car is from South Africa, was repatriated to the UK in the 90s, has undergone extensive restoration sometime in the past, so it's an older restoration, but the car is genuinely superb condition throughout. Panel fit is excellent, paint finish first class, all the chrome is good, fitted boot rack. So as you know, the boots on MGAs are not particularly big, particularly if you've got the side screens in the boot. Interior is really nicely finished in black. Beautiful painted dashboard. Working modern uprated radio with a hidden aerial. All the gauges are in excellent condition. Original style wheel. Still running 4-speed gearbox. Beautiful grille. As I say, all the chrome is in really good order. Just pop the bonnet for you so you can have a look at the quality of the restoration of the mechanicals. As you can hear, car's ticking over nicely, good oil pressure. Chassis was fully restored at the time. Everything very well finished to a very high standard. So certainly one to cherish, but enjoy as well. It's on the button and ready to go. Any questions at all, please get in contact with us at Beach Hill Garage. Thanks for watching.